What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing Batman Ben Affleck's version of Batman from Justice League, right? So I'm on a landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So I'm going to start with his frown, right? So the center of his sort of head up here, center point of my page is about there. We're just going to come up and start with his right hand side frown on his face. So that's like wrinkles on his mask and stuff like that. So let's give it a go. Curve it around up this way and kind of down the back like that. I think there's like another sort of wrinkle here. Okay, and then we go over the other side, do the same sort of thing. Doesn't have to be the exact same, but just about the same. And another sort of wrinkle here. And then there might be some lines that go that way. Just to show the shape, right? Now, so underneath there, so we've got like another sort of wrinkly line for his eye, right? So it kind of comes down and curves back here like twice, right? Like that. This is like his mask that's around his eye, right? And this seems to come down the front. And then we have another line that goes around his eye and up into there, right? So this is like the gap where his eye would be. Yeah, where the rubber meets his skin, sort of coming around up here. So in the eye itself, just in here, it comes around and up into there. Now you can leave it white if you want, but in the movie, he does have an iris and a pupil visible. So like so. And then we have like seems to be like another sort of line coming across here. Kind of like this. Right, and we'll attempt to do the same thing over the other side. So that's the gap for his eye, and we'll go same sort of thing again. And then pupil. Right, and then go another sort of eyelid line or mask line around the top here. Right, kind of like that. So then we got some more wrinkles on his brow here. And then coming down for his nose, right? So we got like Coming down towards the front. Some more stuff sort of in here. Right. And then, so the tip of his nose is here, comes across, back up. Nostrils sort of, well, like leather. It's not as pointy as we're normally used to seeing on a bat suit. And then his cheeks sort of come across here. And there's much of these sort of texture lines. So quite a detailed sort of mask now. So and this is the open sort of mouth area, right? So it comes down, around like so. And then it comes across for his chin. He's a sort of a bumpy sort of chin, you know, he's got one of these sort of chins with the line on it. And then his mouth just in here, so a real sort of serious, flat kind of mouth. And bottom lip. And top lip. Like so. And you could have like some lines just on the side of his face and his chin, just for his skin. Right, so this mask then is real wide, so it joins his neck, so like here, right? So you got like some lines that come down on the side of his head, right? So it's really wide. And it looks like this rubber has an edge sort of line. It's just coming around his chin. And then it becomes sort of his neck down here. Okay, and then we will continue up the head, right up to the ears. From there. Like so, down. And we'll just go across the top, like that. Some more of these wrinkles sort of on the side of his cheeks, like a jawbone or something here. Right, and then the ears sort of have an edge here that kind of follows his temples, so it'll go down around here. Right, so then trapezius goes off this way, goes off that way. We see his cape coming out here. So say neck muscle lines in there. easiest sort of muscle going that way. And then, so where the leather meets the cape, so it's here. Maybe you got this section like that. And then this goes this way. Down. Right, and then bumps kind of down around his shoulder. Right, so we've got another line. So we're going in here. Going this way around the shoulder again. You can see a little bit more of it on this side. Right, we'll just get the center line for his chest, so it's kind of like curving out that way. And we have the bat symbol inside here, so we got like 2 bat ears, and it's like a real short sort of bat symbol. So stocky, sort of wide sort of thing. Like that, and you just do the same thing on the other side. There's like a line going up that way. There's all these lines on the suit as well, but we'll just get sort of like his torso, so like his chest muscle here. And his rib cage. So going that way. This is like his chest muscle going up there. Chest muscle on this side kind of goes down into there, down around, up like so. Line going down there, and then down that way. This chest muscle maybe should be here a little bit more. And then shoulder, down, tricep, real big. Bicep goes into the armpit, comes out, ribs. Shoulder on this side, a little bit narrower. Right, and then the rest of the cape comes down that way, and then it's like where the bicep and the tricep meets, your shoulder muscle comes out of there, and then he's got lines coming across this suit. So there seems to be one going up that way, and like around here. It just goes around his chest. There's one around his bicep as well. I think it's just grey, is it? Okay, well, I think that's the best I can do. Ben Affleck's Batman. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.